How's it going, everyone? Today we're going to be looking at the Matrix X Clix keyboard from matrixkeyboards.com. I'm going to be doing a little overview slash review of the board, which is not very savory, but before we do, I'm going to show you what's in the box and what comes with the keyboard itself. So in the box you just get the keyboard, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and a braided USB Type-C cable that matches the colorway slash theme of the board itself. So getting right into it, this is pretty much a recolored version of the GK61 kit you can get on AliExpress or Amazon. I think AliExpress for like $40–50, but this kit, the Matrix keyboard, costs $135. At least that's what it costed me after tax and shipping. I originally bought these to resell because I saw the resale market on it was insane, so I bought some, resold them, and I'm not ever going to buy them again because I don't feel like it's a quality keyboard, and I would feel bad selling something I personally would not back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say, yeah, it's not worth the price. It's not worth the price. This is not a keyboard that is worth $135. I guess it depends, tax and shipping where you live, but I guess the base price is $115 plus tax and shipping. It's not even worth that. You can get a And Pro 2 for sometimes $80 on Amazon, and that is, in my opinion, obviously personal preference, a much better board. This one I bought with Gatoron Browns. Not a very good switch. I knew that going into it, but I was curious. Like, I haven't used them in a while. Like, man, I wonder why everyone hated these again. And then it's just kind of a mushy tactile switch. But you can get different switches with this, so that was just a thing I decided to pick. But besides that, the board itself, the only thing a GK61 kit doesn't come with is keycaps and the switches. But you can still get, you know, keycaps and switches and still be under the price of the Clix board. Let's take a look at the board itself. You have your little Clix logo in the bottom left and the Matrix Keyboards logo in the bottom right. I want you to pay attention to the sculpt, the shape of the keyboard. There is your USB port on the left side. Big fan of that. I do like left side ports. Look at the sticker on the bottom, and then look at the rubber bump-ons. And then I'm going to show you a GK61 kit that I bought on Amazon or AliExpress. It's been a long time, can't remember. I think it was like, yeah, $40–50. It wasn't anything insane, and I pretty much paid, you know, $40 for switches and then $40 for keycaps. So roughly it came up to 100, probably about the same, $135–140, and it is a much better board than the one that you can get that is the Matrix customized one. Take a look at them side by side. They're the exact same case, exact same sculpt, and these cases by themselves you can get for like $14–15 on I think KBD Fans. I think they're the same ones. I might be wrong, don't quote me on that, but it's a GK61 kit case, and then the PCBs are even actually the same, which is disappointing. You're pretty much just buying a GK61 kit, and I know I've said that like 5 or 6 times by now, but that's what this board is. I'm pretty much holding two of these same boards with different switches and keycaps. You can see the sticker on the back there is exactly the same. The bump-ons on the bottom are the same, and the sculpt is the same. It's the same board, minus I think the case that I have is a slightly older model of the case. It is slightly thicker, which is a good thing in my opinion, and then the corners on them are a little sharper. They're not as rounded as the Clix version that Matrix has. I really wanted to like Matrix keyboards. I really wanted to like their products. I think their keycaps are all right. $40–50 for, you know, what you get. You were pretty much paying for what you get in terms of the keycaps, but the board itself, I'm disappointed, and I feel like it's a little misleading. They make it seem like it's a custom keyboard they manufactured and designed themselves. They're really stretching it if they say that they designed it themselves. They pretty much just designed the color of the keyboard and whatnot. They didn't go ahead and manufacture these, I don't think, at least. And you can see when you plug in the keyboard, the lighting effect is the exact same. It goes from the top left to the bottom right, which is what is flashed on the GK61 PCB. Take it out, and then I'm going to put it in the Clix keyboard. Exact same thing, except my board looks a little dimmer because of the switches I have in there, but they're the exact same board essentially. Maybe it's a little updated in terms of it's a little updated version of the GK61 since mine's a little bit older, but it's the same thing. I just hope I'm able to inform someone out there before buying you know, this keyboard buying into it, I would say, hey, take a look at other options you have. If you're a huge Clix fan, he's a Fortnite player. I had to look that up. If you're a huge Clix fan, then maybe this is worth it to you. But overall, you're not really getting what you pay for. You're overpaying pretty much just to have that logo and that color, which if you wanted that color of case, you could just spray paint it. Nothing special. But I just wanted to give you guys my little opinion, do a unboxing video on the channel as well. Wanted to do more actual recordings for the videos instead of just screen caps. But there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and joining the Discord. And yeah, that's pretty much all we have time for today. We'll be doing some more videos coming this week. I got a little more free time, so we'll be doing an interest check and a group buy video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Take it easy. Peace out.